The price of Stellar Lumens is facing challenges despite the recovery of Bitcoin, while XRP20 has surpassed the milestone of $1 million. Major cryptocurrencies are seeing a notable resurgence, evidenced by a 1% increase in the global cryptocurrency market capitalization within the last 24 hours. Furthermore, the price of Bitcoin has rebounded to reach the $29,500 threshold. Despite the optimistic market forecast, the performance of Stellar in the weekly time frame has been negative, exhibiting a decline of almost 4% within the past 7 days. It is anticipated by investors that there will be an increase in selling activity concerning the coin in the upcoming days, since the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, seems inclined to challenge Ripple's recent legal triumph. Consequently, investors have shifted their focus towards pre-sale tokens that exhibit superior performance compared to the broader cryptocurrency market, with XRP20 emerging as the prevailing preference. The coin has surpassed the $1 million threshold with a highly successful pre-sale performance. The current state of Stellar remains pessimistic, prompting the inquiry of the potential extent of XLM's decline. XLM exhibits a persistently poor performance within the cryptocurrency market, having experienced a decline over 5% over the previous week, albeit a marginal increase of 1% observed within the last hour. The current trading price of the token is at 14 cents, and investors are anticipating another downward movement in the market. Last month, Stellar experienced a significant increase in momentum following Ripple's notable triumph against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The coin exhibited a similar pattern to XRP's upward market trend, experiencing a significant surge of up to 50% and reaching a trading value close to 18 cents. The robust link between XLM and XRP is not a recent occurrence, as Ripple and Stellar have a shared historical background. Stellar was introduced in 2014 by Jed McCaleb, who is recognized as a co-founder of both Ripple and the Mt. Gox exchange. The debut of Stellar involved the utilization of the Ripple codebase through a process known as forking. Both organizations share a fairly similar use case, as they both utilize distributed ledger technology to facilitate cost-effective cross-border payment solutions. Nevertheless, Ripple places a higher emphasis on catering to the needs of banks and other financial institutions, whereas Stellar primarily concentrates on serving retail clients. Nevertheless, Stellar has recently shifted towards a pessimistic outlook in the preceding week as a result of the absence of any bullish narrative and the potential risk posed by the SEC's appeal against Ripple's partial victory. The technical analysis of XLM also indicates a pessimistic prognosis for the coin, as evidenced by TradingView's issuance of a sell signal for the token within the daily time frame. Moreover, there exists a potential risk of descending below its 30-day exponential moving average, currently valued at $0.138, as well as its whole moving average, currently valued at $0.139. According to the analysis provided by cryptocurrency trader at CryptoTony_, it is suggested that the recent upward trend in Stellar has concluded, prompting the trader to consider engaging in a short position for the token. The trader intends to initiate this position whenever the token's value drops below its established support line, namely at the price level of $0.136. The forthcoming release of the CPI report on August 10 has garnered significant attention. The analysis of inflation data will play a crucial role in determining whether the Federal Reserve will continue to pursue a hawkish monetary policy or shift towards a more dovish position. A suboptimal consumer price index, CPI, has the potential to result in an additional increase in interest rates, hence potentially exacerbating the negative impact on alternative cryptocurrencies such as XLM, potentially leading to further losses. The XRP20 token has achieved a significant milestone by reaching a valuation of $1 million during its pre-sale phase, demonstrating impressive performance. Investors are currently adopting a gloomy stance towards alternative cryptocurrencies such as XLM and XRP. However, There is a notable surge in interest and support for recently introduced pre-sale tokens like XRP20. The increased demand for the token has led to a successful pre-sale, generating a total of $1.2 million within a span of just more than 1 week. The initial coin offering, ICO, for XRP20 is valued at a mere $0.000092. Retail investors are increasingly showing interest in the currency due to its on-chain stake-to-earn feature, which presents a promising opportunity to produce passive income. In addition, the ERC20 nature of the token provides effortless connectivity with current Ethereum platforms and wallets, facilitating convenient token trading, tracking, and storage. The project has additionally included community-driven tokenomics, whereby 40% of the token supply is made accessible during the pre-sale phase, while an additional 10% is designated for the purpose of ensuring liquidity on decentralized exchanges. The coin also employs an efficient burn mechanism, where 0.1% of each XRP20 transaction is directed towards a burn address. In addition, a proportion of 10% of the tokens will be intentionally destroyed, so establishing a deflationary mechanism that aims to enhance the value of XRP20. The pre-sale is limited to a maximum funding amount of $3,650,000. Potential investors have the opportunity to acquire the token through a process of exchanging Ethereum, ETH, Tether, USDT, or Binance Coin, BNB, for it. Please consider attending the XRP20 pre-sale event. Bitcoin price forecast: as BTC surges by 2% during a 24-hour period, is it an opportune moment for investment? The recent increase in Bitcoin's price by 2% over a span of 24 hours has given rise to conjecture on its potential ramifications for investors. With the ongoing evolution of market dynamics, one is prompted to ponder whether the current boom in Bitcoin's value signifies a favorable juncture to contemplate its acquisition. Let us proceed to ascertain. Exploring the prospects of Bitcoin integration, insights from Michael Saylor. During a recent podcast interview, Michael Saylor, the Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of MicroStrategy, expounded upon his viewpoint regarding the increasing phenomenon of major corporations adopting and consolidating Bitcoin. Saylor underscored the inescapable nature of third-party and corporate participation inside the Bitcoin ecosystem. The speaker expressed that with the increasing integration of Bitcoin into society, there will be a proliferation of diverse applications, rendering a universally applicable strategy impractical. Saylor delineated 3 primary justifications for the necessity of caretakers inside the realm of Bitcoin. The user's text lacks the necessary academic tone and structure. It would be more appropriate to